And today what I have for you is this DIY music box called the Magic Cello. That's right, this is a little wooden puzzle basically that you put together. It builds a music box and it plays itself. It is already complete. I've already done it. If you noticed in the corner up here, I have a little time lapse running so you can see me building the whole entire thing. Now on a scale of 5, this is considered a level 4, so this is not for your 8-year-old or your 5-year-old. It did take a lot of patience and it did take some time to do it, but the payoff was well worth it. Now you do have over 200 pieces on these little wooden sheets that you have to punch out. You do have to assemble everything, but what's really cool about when you assemble it is there is no glue required. That's right, everything just snaps together, or you have what they call a mortar and tenon structure. So basically the tab will go through the wood, it'll have a little hole in it, and you slide a little piece of wood in the back to hold it in place. So very, very cool. Now it is an educational build. You are going to learn about mechanisms. You are going to learn how to put geared structures together because it's all geared on the inside. But rather than talk more about it, how about if I just go ahead and show it to you? Let's go ahead. I'm going to bring the camera down and let you get a closer look. I was hiding it just off screen right here. You can see my desk is a mess, fresh from the build. But check this out right here. Get it right there where you can see it. You can see that you have the cello and you have the bow. The bow does go back and forth as it plays itself. The bass is an actual like a book. And you do have to put all this together. And then if you turn it, you can see there's a little hidden cat in there in between the cello and the book. And you can see it's a whole stack of books. So it's 4 books in total. Check out the crazy amount of detail on the keys for the cello. Even the little gold screws on the side. This is all made out of wood, except for part of the bow right here. The little bow mechanism is a clear plastic. You can see what the back looks like. That's where your key is. You can see it has nice prints and designs, words on the book. It's very, very detailed. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to wind it up. I want you to hear it play and see it actually work. Because it's really amazing how the little bow just goes back and forth. I'll let you enjoy this melody for a moment. Now the melody is called Nocturne in E flat. But a very cool little music box. You can see all the gears on the inside are rotating. You have multiple color woods to give it more detail. You can see the bow does go back and forth, as I said. And it even has a little wooden flower up here that rotates. So a very cool little music box. Now I really enjoyed this project. I do like building robots and building things and puzzles and Legos. So if those are the things you're into, you're going to enjoy this. It is going to take some time. It took 3.5 hours or so to build it. But the instructions were good. The instructions were clear. So just take your time. Go step by step. Have faith in what the instructions are telling you. And you will get a nice product just like this. I hope this video helps. And thanks for watching.